Haka arpukanda terek ya yong arhajar arpulai umentri rangba kejelau Conrad kisangma Redon Bynta ke Jingim ko buram jong ke school ba Ikfa University ke Besau Haka ni ke singi Conrad uloong bawa laulo Phiel laki babun ke Bynta ke Jingim Henry uyaya le klem sange ban poi chukatong Haka ni ke singi lapin ko buram ya san spa sau ngot ki samla pulie ke ni ke school ba
for the state of ours are things that have not been ever planned and programmed and targeted in the last 50 years. So a lot of exciting times are ahead. We are trying to become a $10 billion economy. It's a huge, huge challenge for us. But I'm sure that if we have a proper plan, if we are able to work it out in detail, in micro-planning on how each sector will add to the overall economic growth and the GSDP growth of our state, I'm sure that we will be able to achieve that target. And each one of you is going to be a part of the growth story of the great state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure that in the next 5 years, as I said, many, many exciting things are going to happen in many sectors. Tourism will see growth like never before, with an investment of almost close to 3,000 crores that's going to take place in the next 5 years. Huge opportunities going to come out. The kind of work that we're doing in terms of even our environmental aspect, almost close to 3,000 crores will be spent even in the environment and the natural resource management of our state. A lot of exciting things in the youth sector are going to happen. We're going to work very aggressively to work and move forward with trade with Bangladesh and other nations and even the states within the Northeast. So we expect that many manufacturing areas, many areas where food processing will happen. So these are very, very exciting to work and move forward with trade with Bangladesh and other nations and even the states within the Northeast. So we expect that many manufacturing areas, many areas where food processing will happen. So these are very, very exciting sectors. We are seeing huge growth in the BPO sector, and I target that in the next many years to come, we will see Shillong as one of the key areas and Meghalaya as a whole being one of the biggest BPO sectors in the entire country. We have over 3,000 seaters of BPO in Shillong now. We are expecting to have 5,000 seats more. And in the next 5 years, I expect the BPO industry to grow to Tura, Jowai, as well as Shillong. And we expect that we will be touching almost close to 30,000 seats in the BPO sector in the next 5 years.